Welcome to my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about hacktivism. In internet hacktivism is the use of computer-based techniques such as hacking as a form of civil disobedience to promote a political agenda or social change. With roots in hacker culture and hacker ethics, its ends are often related to free speech, human rights, or freedom of information movement. Activism is a collection of two words, hack and activism. It is the use of computer based techniques such as hacking as a form of civil disobedience to promote a political agenda or social change. We can say that it is a social or political activism is a social or political activist act that is carried out by breaking into and wreaking havoc on a secure computer system. Hacktivism is usually directed at corporate or government targets. The people or groups that carry out hacktivism, they are referred to as hacktivists. And it is an amalgamation of the word hacking and activism. The use of technology to publicly communicate or further a political cause through the unauthorized use or disruption of a computer service. What is activism? Activism is a social or political activist act that is carried out by breaking into and wreaking havoc on a secure computer system. Activism is usually directed at corporate or government targets. The people of group that carry out hacktivism are referred to as hacktivist. Hacktivist targets include region, organization, terrorist, drug dealers, and pedophiles. An example of hacktivism is denial of service attack (DOS), which shut down an entire system to prevent customer service. Other examples involve providing citizens with access to government censored web pages or providing privacy protected means of communication to threatened groups such as Syrians during Arabia. Now we will learn hacktivism. As I have already explained, it is a mix of hacking and activism, and is said to have been coined by the hacktivist group Cult of the Dead Cow. What are the key takeaways? Hacktivism involves breaking into a computer and making changes that affect a person or organization. Target ranges from religious organization to drug dealers and pedophiles. Some activities use hacktivism and in person protesting. Example include Occupy Wall Street and the Church of Science and Technology protests. How activism work? Hacktivism goal include the following: circumventing government censorship by helping citizens get around national firewall, or helping protectors to organize online, using social media platform to promote right use into center citizens of the operative right system, the operative right system. Also, they help oppressive regimes communicate with outside world, taking down government websites that pose a danger to politically active citizens, protecting free speech online, protecting access to information. That what type of information? Each and every information that is possible should be given. Support citizen uprisings, assisting computer users in protecting their privacy and avoiding surveillance through secure and autonomous network such as Tor and Signal messaging app, disrupting corporate or government power, helping illegal immigrants cross border safely, supporting democracy, protecting against globalization and communism, protecting acts of war, halting the terrorism or finance of terrorism. Hacktivist methods may include distributed denial of service DDoS attack, which flood a website or email address with so much traffic that is temporarily shut down. Data theft, website defacement, and computer virus and worm that spread protect messages, taking over social media account. And then we go to next one. Hacktivist method may include distributed denial of service attack DDoS, which flood a website or email address with so much traffic that it temporarily shut down. Data theft, website defacement, computer virus and other computer virus and worm that spread protest messages, taking over social media account and stealing of government media. Also, some disclosing some sensitive data. Types of hacktivism. Now today we will learn about what are the different types of hacktivism. Hacktivism uses a variety of techniques to get their message across. Some tactics. Hacktivists use a variety of techniques. Some tactics are as following. First, changing the code for website, such as government website, then such as government websites. Changing the code for website, for example, like I have earlier said, that to change the code for government website or software is done to display error or specific messages to anyone who visits the site or uses the software. Website mirroring is when hacktivists replicate a legitimate website content but with a slightly different URL. The technique is often used to get around censorship that blocks a particular site. If a website had been censored, the hacktivist will duplicate the content. and attached to it to different URL on a mirror set, the content is still accessible. Next is geobombing, in which internet users add a geotag to YouTube videos to enable display of the location of the video on Google Earth and Google Map. Google Map has been used by activists to display the location of videos posted by political prisoners and human human rights activists. Blogging anonymously is a tactic used by activists, whistleblowers, and journalists. This protects the blogger. This protests the blogger while providing a platform to speak out about an issue such as human right violation and oppressive government regime. Leaking information is a particular tactics with activists. Typically, an insider source will access sensitive or desensitive one, which implies an individual, organization, or government agencies in some kind of malicious activity and make it publicly available. WikiLeaks has been done. The information is typically sensitive. Also, denial of service attack and distributed denial of service attack have become popular with activists who use them to prevent users from accessing target computer system, devices, or network. DOS and DDoS attacks flood systems with traffic and overrun resources and make them difficult to access. Examples of activism. While there are thousands of activist groups worldwide, some of the better known from the 1990s to present day include CDC, Hacktivismo, LulzSec, Anonymous Legends of the Underground, the Electronic Disturbance Theatre, Young India Hackers Against Terrorism. Examples of hacktivist group. First one is Anonymous. This is perhaps the most prolific and well-known hacktivist group. Anonymous has been prominent and prevalent in many major hacks over the past decade. Anonymous originated on the forums of 4chan during 2003. Again, this is the I paused for a few minutes so that all of you can read. And then WikiLeaks. WikiLeaks is a website that was started in 2006 by Julian Assange and host leaked document. WikiLeaks claimed to be an independent, non-profit online media organization. Originally, WikiLeaks was operated with the principles of WikiSite, meaning that user could post document, edit others' document, and help decided which materials were posted. The first notable release of document by WikiLeaks was the release of Afghanistan war logs. Though WikiLeaks did not identify a source for the document, it was speculated that leak came from a US Army intelligence analyst arrested in May 2010 and accused of leaking classified information. The war logs revealed 144 incidents of formerly unreported civilian casualties by US military. The leak of the Afghan war logs was the greatest military leak in US history. Then LulzSec or Lulz Security. Lulz Security is a spin-off group of anonymous people. 5 members of Anonymous started LulzSec in 2011 and used handles but not any other identifying information. The most significant attack by LulzSec was when the group took down the FBI's website in 2011. Though the attack precipitated the arrest of several members. Though the members of LulzSec would spend up to 20 hours a day in communication, they didn't know one another personally, nor did they share personal information. For example, once the members' identity were relieved, T-Flow was revealed to be 15-year-old. Other members, on the basis of his advanced coding ability, though he was around 30-year-old. On the first notable targets that LulzSec pursued was HB Gary, which was performed in response to a claim chain by technology security company that it had informed members of Anonymous. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have understood.